Your profile is how you present yourself to the community, and we encourage you to highlight your expertise and present yourself professionally. If you're selling for the first time, go to Start Selling. Create and complete your seller profile. As soon as you've completed your onboarding, you can create your seller profile. Step 1. Personal info. Fill in your full name. Note, this information will remain private. Step 2. Professional info. Under Occupation, select your expertise and checkbox your relevant skills. Note, up to 2 fields and up to 5 skills. In the Profile Picture section, add an image of yourself. Your profile picture must be an original image of you or your company logo image that represents the service that you provide. Your profile picture must not be an image of someone else, a celebrity, or a misrepresentation of your service. GIFs are not acceptable profile images. Note, make sure you own the picture you upload. Under Skills, add your skills to let buyers know your expertise. You can add up to 15 skills. You have the option to suggest skills that are not listed. Suggestions will appear as pending on your profile until approved. Note, these may be skills gained through your previous jobs, hobbies, or even everyday life. In the Description section, write a description to help introduce yourself to the Fiverr community. Note, highlight your expertise, projects that you're proud of, or anything else that you'd like to share on your public profile. Under Education, select when and where you attended college. You also have the option to suggest your diploma if it's not listed. Suggestions will appear as pending on your profile until approved. Note, suggestions are periodically reviewed and will not be automatically added. In the Languages section, select the languages you speak and your level of fluency. Under Certifications, list your awards, certifications, and honors. This section can help you stand out from other sellers. You also have the option to suggest certifications. Click Continue. Under Personal Website, enter your website's URL, Continue. Here, you can share your portfolio or other works. In the Email field, click Verify Now and follow the prompts if you haven't verified your account yet. In the Phone Number field, click Verify Now and continue with the process. Learn more details on this process with verifying your account using your phone. Click Continue and create your first gig when you're done.